Hello, welcome back. So in this lesson we are going to be talking about the extended tool and the trim tool. So to start, let's just click on the front plane, click our sketch, and let's start with the extend tool. So to draw the extend tool works like when you have a line, and let's draw a line, and let's say I have another line, but let's draw the line over here somewhere, and let's draw another line here, and let's draw another line here. So how the extended tool, and let's draw another line here. So we have something like that. So how the extended tool works is you click on this drop down, click extend, and when you click on this edge, it extends this line to that edge, and that is that. And when you click on this edge, it extends the line to that edge. And when you click on this edge, the same thing, click on that edge, click on that edge. That is how the extended tool works. So let's now do the trim tool. How the trim tool works is, the first one is the power trim, and how the power trim works is you just press the left click and hold it down, and anything you touch gets deleted. And that is how that trim tool works. And the second one is the corner tool. So let's press OK, and let's draw two lines, something like this. Let's draw another line that is crossing that. So we go back into the trim tool. We want to break the corner tool. So if I select this line and this line, it deletes everything at the corner of those two lines, and that's how the corner tool works. And I'm just gonna go back and add the corner tool, and I select this line, and when I select this line, this tool gets deleted, and that's how the corner tool works. And the third type is, let's press OK, delete this, and let's just draw something like this. Let's draw a line, two lines with, and let's draw another line, something like that. Let's draw another line, something like that. So let's click on the trim tool, and let's trim. So this one is trim away from the inside. So with this, you need to select your boundary. So I can select this line as my boundary and this line as my boundary. So when I select this trim line, it trims everything on the inside of that boundary. So it trims everything on the inside of this two line. And let's go back. So let's select the trim again, and this time I'm gonna do the trim away from outside. Again, I have to select my boundaries, and when I press the trim tool, select that line. It trims everything on the outside of those boundary lines. Or you can, as you can see, when I select that line, everything on the outside of these two boundaries gets trimmed. The first one is, it trims the entities on the inside, and the second one trims and the entities on the outside. I'm just gonna press the Ctrl Z to undo, and let's try the last trim, which is trim to the closest. I use this a lot, and that pretty much trims everything to the closest angle. So you trims everything to the closest, so to the closest intersection, and that is how that trim works. So anyway, that is the trim, and thank you. I will see you in the next lecture. Bye.